Hi, I'm Caitlin Baker, and I am a grade 3, 4, 5, and 6 teacher at Dailies School. So I have a master's in education as well as a master's in higher education with a special education endorsement that is K through 12th grade. I have been teaching in the classroom, in the everyday classroom for 6 years. This is year 6, and now I am fully online. So my classes are super fun and all about relationships. I love getting to know your students. I love learning about what is the best way that they learn, and then being able to cater my classes to that student and how they're best learning. My students would say that my teaching style is mostly relationship building. I love to build the relationships with my students to figure out how they learn best while also challenging them at the same time. A fun fact about me is that I have a baby named Charlie, and she keeps me very busy when I'm not teaching. And I also love to run and exercise. That sounds crazy, but that is my fun fact. And then something I love about Dailies is that it allows me to work with students outside of the classroom, as well as help families and students learn in a unique way that's challenging and fun for them. So I really hope that I get to see you in class soon, and I can't wait to meet you. I look forward to seeing you.